Good morning, world. It's Malo here, a travel blogger. Today, I'm going to take you to Meadow Lake inside the Morton Arboretum in Leslie, Illinois, about 21 miles west of Chicago. The Girl Scout troops of Chicagoland had a contest of a Halloween effigy, and it was being displayed around the Meadow Lake. So guests who trek around Meadow Lake will choose their favorite and cast their votes. So Tony and I had casted our votes. So since I'm making this into a blog, I am encourage you, my viewers, to cast your favorite and make a comment why you choose it. This will be a contest until November 5th within this Halloween week, and there will be, choose the prize, choose the winners. So good luck everyone, and enjoy the effigies of the Girl Scout troops of Chicagoland. Have fun and God bless. The rain had subsided, so it's an easy walk now. So we are walking or trailing here at the Meadow Lake Trail because it's rain, go away. Little Tony wants to walk on the Meadow Lake Trail.
Be an nailhead.
Very colorful. We are here at the children's garden here in Morton Arboretum. Holy Mary, look at these flowers here. This is just a dwarf marigolds.
We can get lunch, you.
Oh yeah. Children's garden. Celebration circle. So many beautiful colors of cabbage. I think this is edible, but they make it as a garden. Look at that. Look at this. Cabbage. Oh, I'm walking here on the cabbage patch with a very colorful cabbage. That is the Meadow Lake, and we are walking this trail on the Meadow Lake. Man-made lake. Oh, Meadow Lake is man-made like many other stormwater retention ponds, but unlike others, it supports a healthy and diverse living network. In 1959, glacier-deposited gravel was excavated from this site for the construction of Illinois Route 53. The resulting basin collected and retained rainwater runoff and was named Meadow Lake. The new lake quickly became a popular destination within the Arboretum. The first official visitor center and restaurant opened in 1973 in a building designed to incorporate views of the Meadow Lake. By the early 2000s, Meadow Lake had developed unstable banks and poor water quality. The site needed a makeover. The banks were regraded in 2005 and stabilized with the roots of native plants. Meadow Lake continues to function as a stormwater retention basin and now provides a home for native plants and animals. In return, these living creatures stabilize the beauty and beautify the area. Continue along this trail to learn more about the living elements of the Meadow Lake ecosystem. Trailing here at the Meadow Lake. What? OMG! Brilliantly bold brownies. Brownie troop. Oh, this is represented by schools. Cadet troop. Cadet troop, Wheaton. Escarmalo. Itasca. Unity in diversity. We find our strength in diversity. I'm a Girl Scout, courageous, friendly, honest, considerate, fair, caring, responsible, strong, and respectful. Girl Scout Barbie. Garden party. Who? Girl Scout Wednesday Adam. From the Adams family. Winfield. Hi. Daisy Corn. Daisy the pig. Leslie. Dogs. Halloween edition.
I don't say dogs.
Dogs. Dogs. Okay. Here. For all the dogs. Halloween edition. King Chewbacca. Glen Ellen Elementary School. Walking here at the man-made Meadow Lake. Boo! The friendly ghost. Hey, Barbie. Naperville. Soccer superstar queen. Napper Brownie Troop from Naperville. Brownie Troop 56515 and 56406. Aurora Elementary School. It's a nice walk here. We're just trailing or walking here at Meadow Lake, man-made. It's a man-made lake. Daisy Bell. There's so many daisies. They must love daisies here in Illinois. Oh, Tin Can. Jerry Scary. Montgomery. Yeah. This is the man-made Meadow Lake. Here's another one. Smokey the Bear. Flowers of Friendship. Elk Grove Village. Scout, always a scout. Glendale Heights. Sparky and Mrs. Scout. It's a beautiful view. Congratulations. Own your magic. I'll get you my pretties. Oh. That's hello. That's elaborate. Junior Troop 56037, Upper Bell.
You ready to go back?
No,
I'm so tired.
you're.
Yes.
We're not even halfway.
I know. I
Oh.
say we go back. Please.
Star Wars. Here. Why is this tree wired? Lightning strike can severely damage a tree unless the electricity is given an alternate route to follow. This wire will conduct electricity safely to the ground. Oh, wow. Each in its place. The wetland and prairie plantings around Meadow Lake were carefully planned to imitate the natural ecosystem. To build a healthy, functional ecosystem from the soil up, restorationists must first understand natural systems and then apply that knowledge to create something new. At Meadow Lake, a gentle rolling grade creates different growing conditions for a variety of native plants. Submergent plants grow completely underwater for most of their life cycle. Floating plants drift on the water's surface. Emergent plants grow upright, extending out of shallow, slow-moving water near the lake edge. And prairie plants at Meadow Lake grow above the water's edge. Dancing around the daisy garden. Yeah. Look at the shoes, ripped jeans, chalecos, a fall foliage.
56, 58, 4.
Oh, Brownie Troop 56584, Woodridge Elementary School. Scouts, Scouts of a Feather. Wow. Water-loving trees. All trees need water to grow, but too much of a good thing can be harmful. When a tree's roots are flooded, they cannot access the oxygen needed to survive. Certain tree species are better adapted to survive in wetlands and other wet soil. Not every tree can survive in a wetland, just like not every tree could survive in the Arctic. Yet some trees have adapted to this challenging environment and taking advantage of the decreased competition. Arborview 4th grade junior Girl Scout, Arborview Elementary School, Green Island.
She's got two in arm, one on her shoulder, and one down by her legs.
And one in the tummy. So he had 5 kids. Light Nightmare Before Candyland. How cute. Brownie are the best. Springbrook Elementary in Upper Bell. Oh, this is very simple.
French fries,
French fries.
McDonald's.
Elk Grove Village. There is McDonald's must sponsor them. Ulster Knuckle. It's a knucklehead. What's this? Charger. St. John of Arc. There's another dog. Vampire, so it's not a dog. Vampire fairy zombie dog. It's a dog, but it's a vampire dog. Vampire blood. You dogs are scary. Hi guys, are you having a good time? Happy on the dry land, happy on the water. My good-looking husband. Flower Queen. Aftermath mosquito bath. After you've been bitten by a mosquito. Let's make s'mores memories. Oh, cute. And they have the pictures of their Girl Scouts. How cute. Shine your light. See? They have their pictures when they make these s'mores. Still here at Meadow Lake. Cadet Troop. Jack Skellington. Fisher Middle School, Aurora. Jack the Ripper. Jack Skellington. Girl Scouts stick together. Hoffman Estates Elementary.
Unless it's like a mermaid because it's got a tail.
Oh, yeah, a
But it's
fish
called Lincoln Daisy Girl.
fish tail. But it's called Lincoln Girl Scout Troop. Lincoln Daisy Girl. Lincoln Elementary, Wheaton.
You want it?
Yeah, Lincoln Elementary, Wheaton. Wow.
Did you vote it?
Huh?
You're supposed to vote, did you?
No. Resourceful, adventure, courage, unique, brave, hopeful, act, caring, kind, respect, responsible. And they have all the pictures of the Girl Scouts involved. I have the whole picture of the lake. Ta-da! Ta-da! Walk around. Walk around. I think, and that's behind me where you can't see the lake. And I am turning around. I am turning around. I am turning around. And the lake now behind me. Yay! So I have the 360 view.
For your yard?
No, for the picture. Oh, beautiful fall color in this beautiful
Yeah.
man-made lake.
I know, like, for a long time, we got the greatest pictures of Wetland because I was taking pictures and I really haven't done anything with the lake.
See this here, honey. What is it? Wetland support wildlife, reduce erosion, mitigate floods, and filter pollution. Yet nationwide, honey. And it's the end of our trail. We go back to where we started. Is it?
Yeah, see? That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh, vote for your favorite. Vote on your phone. Scan the QR code to submit your vote electronically on your phone. See? We're back to where we started with this colorful cabbage.